I wanted to be in a position where I can deal with AI and not feel like I am being replaced by it. My name is Angela. I'm a software engineer with over 12 years of experience. And it sounds like a long time, but in the tech world, there is always something new to learn. I can learn a lot of these things online on my own. But what I really enjoy about bootcamp is just learning as a group and going through the journey together. So most recently, I completed the AI Machine Learning Bootcamp with Fullstack Academy. As AI become more and more part of our lives, I wanted a deeper understanding in that. And I wanted to be in a position where I can deal with AI and not feel like I am being replaced by it. So the more I work with AI, the more I realize how much I really enjoy it. And it feels like a natural extension to software engineering. It's actually just a new set of tools and a different way of thinking. So right now, my career focus is on finding opportunities where I can combine my software engineering background with my AI new knowledge and just work more closely in that space. When it comes to networking and when it starts feeling like very one-on-one, when all the attention is on me, like now, I get very nervous. When I realized if I wanted to make a change in my career, I needed to be more visible. So people cannot know who I am or what I do unless I put myself out there. And networking is just really about building relationships and growing a community around you. No one is going to advocate for my career better than I can. One of the things that I really enjoy about bootcamps is just learning as part of a group. And when you meet with the same people several times a week over a period of time, bonds just naturally start to form. And so even after our cohort ended, a group of us actually stay connected through LinkedIn group and WhatsApp. And we share, articles we find interesting or discuss struggles that we face during our job search. And we swap interview experiences and just really just support each other. It's a really small but really meaningful community